So now let's go and see this function module subroutine you may have come across many times, right? So some of the point you have to first we will see the subroutine quickly and then we will go for the function module. So actually there is a concept called modularization technique. Why we modularize anything, right? Why we modularize anything? Modularization means, you know, putting the stuff at one place so that things you can use at multiple places. Yeah, very good. So for example, if you take some real-time example, you know, maybe what you do, you group together something. Let's suppose one good example it can be like even in our flat we used to have the multiple homes. We try to put the things combined together. We have the separate kitchen, we have the separate bedroom, right? So similarly this modularization technique, what we do, that a particular functionality we put into a specific module, right, in a specific uh, either subroutine or in a specific function module. Okay, however we have one concept of include also, but this is also one technique to modularize, but this is not the executable one. Okay, you will understand what actually this is the important one, subroutine and function module. Okay, so if you try to combine, if you try to you know, if you try to divide the modularization technique, there are three parts. One is the include, another is subroutine, and another is the function module. So let me write it down over here. One is this include, I will show you later this one, and another is subroutine, and the last one is the function module, right? Three types of technique we use in order to modularize. The benefit of this we have just discussed. You can combine a particular functionality one specific module. Another thing is that you can reuse the things a multiple time, right? One module you can use the multiple times. Okay, let's start with the subroutine. Go to the system. Before going there, I will show you some syntax over here. It starts with the form, FORM, and end form. We put the subroutine inside the form and end form. Okay, and we use the same T code. T code is AC38 only, and we create in main program directly. Okay, in main program directly we can create, or we can create this one in a dedicated include. Dedicated include. So what we understood over here, there are three types of modularization technique. One is include, another is subroutine, and third one is the function module. Subroutine and function module is the one which we are means which will be there into action. Include is just like a holder. Okay, we will see that. For subroutine, the T code is AC38, and it can be created inside the main program also, or in a dedicated include. Okay, for creating the function module, you have the T code AC37, through which you can create the function module In main program, you will not be able to create the function module, but from main program, you will be able to call the function module. Okay, you can call from the main program, but won't be able to create. In main program, you won't be able to create function module. Means this functionality is not there in the system. AC37, we will use the transaction to create the function module. And for creating the subroutine, you can use the same program, or you can create this one in a dedicated include. Okay, fine. Subroutine function module, because in subroutine we have to use the term called include. Better, let's have a quick introduction about the include. Let's go here, SC38, and we have, this is the last program which we have created over here, right? You can see that using the append statement. So yesterday program was there in the Kalyan system, because my system was not working. So that was demo number 8. I will get from him and put in the notepad. I'm going to use the same program, let me put the 8 over here, or create, it is in Kalyan system, just for my reference, I will be able to remember. So what I will do, I will copy the program number 7 and I will show you how to use the include into that. 7 number program number 9, copy this one, copy this local object, go and change the attribute of this program. Okay. So go into the change mode, go to attribute, include. How to use include. So you should understand that include is a type of program. Okay. Include, it is a type of program, but it is not executable. It is not executable. What is the meaning of not executable? See, this program is executable. If you execute this, you will be able to get the output, right? Some dump is coming due to some issue. Let's see what is the issue. We are inserting from this table. Okay. Modify from table, breakpoint. It looks like there is same data present over there, and that's why it is giving the dump. Okay, so this time it's working fine. You can see that it is getting executed, right? It is getting executed. I'm running it over here and it's getting executed, right? So this is executable program, the one which can be executed. The include, you won't be able to execute. Now, what is the use of include? Use of include is that you can simply put the code over there. For example, here you can see that I am declaring the variable. So what I can do, I can create one include to put the code. That's it. So I will cut the code from here and I will simply write one include, INCLUDE, and give the name of the include starting with Z or Y, Z data declaration. This is the name of the include I can give. Okay. And in that, the code I have copied, this is the code I have copied, this code I can put inside this. So double click over here. Yes. And you can see, once again, I will show you. what I am doing, I'm double click over here. When you have to create the include, what you can do that you can double click on this include. See here, it's telling this include does not exist. Do you want to create the object? Yes, I want to create. Click on this. Yes. And you can see when we create the program like that, the option is coming and type is automatically selected include program, right? When we create the program from SE38 executable program, behavior definition, function group, many kind of this option comes. We use executable program. Here automatically